Hi, Matthew. Thank you for reaching out to me with your mortgage needs. I do sincerely appreciate that. I made a short video for you so that I can go over the numbers with you and explain those numbers to you so that you can get a better understanding of what I have to offer versus what you have been offered so far. I put the numbers next to each other so that you can compare and contrast these numbers. This is what you had, and this is what I have for you. I just changed the purchase price and the loan amount. So this is the purchase price, 2.2 million, and loan amount is going to be 89% of the purchase price. So it comes out to 1.958 million, the same numbers here. Now I am comparing apples to apples so that you can see where the big difference comes from. So you quoted me 4.25 last time. So at 4.25% rate for 30-year fixed, of course, you had to pay 3 points or 3% compared to you'll be paying about 0.5% with me. Okay, that translates to this number. So 58,740 with your previous offer, you'd pay in points. This is money you're giving to the lender. This is not the loan amount or anything. This is actual money that you're giving to the lender for having this loan or for borrowing this amount of money. So you're paying about 58,740 compared to, in my case, you'll be paying only $10,612. So that's 59,000 versus, let's say, 11,000. So right there, $48,000 differential. So that's a big savings. Okay, so this is where the main savings comes from. Now let me go over the other numbers, which pretty much does not change. Your monthly mortgage payment is going to be $9,632 in both cases because the interest rate is the same. Your taxes do not change. Taxes and insurance is the same number I assumed. And then your total monthly payment is going to be $11,911. Okay, and your down payment is of course the same in both cases, $242,000, which is 11%. And then your closing costs, I kept it the same, $20,000. It shouldn't change. And of course, this is the main difference. With me, you're paying about $10,000. With them, you're paying about $58,000 in points. Big difference. And your total amount of money that you need to close with them is $320,740 versus $272,612.36. Now, if you were to subtract this number from this number, you will get 48,127.64. So this is how much you would be saving with my offer. So given all the terms and conditions, that means interest rate being at 4.25, okay, 4.25% for 30-year fixed, everything is going to be the same. Just the discount points that you're going to pay with me is much less. Now, let me clarify something here for you. Since you are my doctor as well as my friend, the pricing that I have given you, this pricing is pretty much does not exist in the market. The assumption that I made here is that I will be making no money, okay, on this loan. So if I don't make zero money on the loan and give you the rate, then you'll be getting this much, or this will be your required amount of money. But in terms of my payment, we'll talk about it. I'd rather like to do a business with you first, build a professional relationship in my industry, mortgage industry, and then hopefully we'll do more business together in the future. So this is what the summary of the program that you are looking into, which is 89%. 89% loan amount, 11% down, with 30-year fixed, and the interest rate at 4.25. This is what it looks like. I, of course, could give you other interest rates too. This could go down, okay? If it goes down, then what happens? Your discount points, or the points that you're paying, is gonna go up. Okay, so that's what it is. So I could, if I were to go down to, let's say 4%, right? 4%, I could do that. Or even 3.75%, if you wanted, I could do that. And we could talk about it. Let's do a Zoom meeting if you'd like more details on it, and I could break it down for you how much is going to cost for each of these rates. You can go as low as you want in terms of interest rate, or even if we could go even higher than that. In that case, these discount points is going to come down. Okay, so if you have any question, please do let me know. I'm available to answer and help you. Okay. Hopefully this helps. If you have any other questions, reach out. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful day.